Yep, had to bring the mic again because some of you won't hear me unless I really talk into the mic. Okay? Get off Instagram and check out LinkedIn. Okay? Yeah. Let's talk about it. Welcome back to my channel, everyone. Kyyah Savage, aka Kyyah, back with another video. Today, as you can see by the intro, we are talking about LinkedIn and Instagram. Okay, so let's just jump right in. Instagram is a great tool. It is a great tool for networking. It is a great tool for seeing what other people are doing during the highlights, okay? Highlights of their life. It's a great way to learn about things like Kyyah Savage. It's a great way to hear about news in other people's lives, celebrities, friends, whomever. But there are many, many, many downsides to Instagram. I personally believe that most people only post the best parts of their lives. We all know this now. Everybody's talking about that. Everybody's saying that Instagram is really, that's what it's about. It's about posting the highlights of your life. And I personally don't see the big benefit to Instagram unless you really are using it to grow a business. I have cousins who own businesses and they strictly use their personal Instagram, their business Instagram, their other personal Instagram, and their other business Instagram strictly to promote what they're trying to sell. Whether that is selling the lifestyle to sell their product or selling the product in general. And there are a lot of people out there. Now there are other people who use Instagram for the sole purpose to show, like I said, the highlights of their life. And that's it. Yeah. Nothing wrong with it. There's nothing wrong with that. Everybody uses social media for their own personal benefits, their own personal gain. It's so sad that Instagram has detriments to some people's mental health. I know so many people who have anxiety because of Instagram. I know so many people who are constantly doing the compare game, and it's so hard not to. I've done it before. It's so hard not to do that. But the reason why I wanted to make this video today is because sit there for a minute. Think introspectively. How has Instagram benefited your life professionally, mentally, physically? Just, I'll give you 30 seconds. My lips is kind of chapped. Okay, time's up. I can think of ways Instagram has benefited me. I've been able to network with people. There are times when I just DM people asking if they're interested in being interviewed for Kyyah Savage. I've had conversations with people on Instagram about networking, about helping grow Kyyah Savage, about growing businesses. I've had business networking opportunities on Instagram, and for that I am thankful. But in other ways, that's because that's what I use Instagram for. I don't use it for anything other than that. And I think even then, Instagram hasn't really helped build my professional network in the medical space, as well as pharmaceutical space, as well as just that type of professional aspect. Instagram hasn't done any of those things for me. I haven't been able to share things that I've done in my master's program on Instagram because that's not what people want to see. People don't want to see papers and abstracts or brochures or data that you've collected. People don't want to see that stuff. They want to see the vacations and they want to see the high life and everything looks nice and good, you know? So that's why I say a lot of you need to stop scrolling on Instagram, take a second and ask yourself, what is it really doing for you? Now, people who are in the marketing space, the creative space, all that stuff, I'm not talking to you because I know Instagram does a lot for you in that way. Everybody else who works that 9 to 5 and where you're trying to be successful and grow in that area of your life, you need to transport your network or believing that your professional network is coming from Instagram and move over to LinkedIn. I can't tell you how many people I've connected with on LinkedIn that have helped me find jobs, that have helped me get interviews, that have helped me move my resume a little bit closer, where I've talked to hiring directors directly themselves. I've had phone calls with them saying, hey, I'm looking for a new job. And they're like, all right, well, you let me know whenever you're ready to move and we can talk. Are you getting those same opportunities on Instagram? So I think it's very important to understand what each platform is for and what each platform does for you and your life. Get on LinkedIn, build your network. If you have more followers, okay, let me back it up. If you are in college, if you are in high school, if you are just about to graduate college, if you're a grad student, if you are in the professional workspace where you are working for a hospital, you're working for a marketing business, you're working for somebody, you're doing something, you have a 9-to-5, and you have more followers or connections on Instagram than you do on LinkedIn, visit www.kiitana.com, schedule a 30-minute consultation with me, and I will help you rebuild your LinkedIn profile, because it is crucially important for you to build a true network on that platform. You have a better chance of being able to grow professionally within that network than within your Instagram network, okay? There's a lot more truths on LinkedIn than there are on Instagram. Let that marinate. See, I said it, don't forget it. Thank you for watching another Career Savage video. Check back every week for new uploads. Thank you so much for watching, guys.